Just like the stars in the night sky, each one of us has a unique rhythm and pace. Today, we're going to explore how to manage our most valuable resource, time. And what better way to do that than with a touch of astronomy? Our planet spins on its axis once every 24 hours. That's what gives us our day and our night. In a similar way, our lives revolve around the time we have each day. But often, it can feel like there aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done. That's why we need to learn to manage our time efficiently. One simple and easy to use tool that we can use to manage our time more efficiently is a to-do list. Begin by writing down what you need to do in order of priority. This will help you to stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Similar to how the planets have their orbits and timelines around the sun, your tasks should have their timelines too. To determine these timelines, it is important to set realistic deadlines for your tasks. This will help you to avoid procrastination and stay on track. And remember, just as the universe has its moments of activity and calm, you too need to take regular breaks to maintain your internal equilibrium. Giving yourself time to relax and unwind will help to improve your focus and productivity. In fact, why not use one of your breaks to explore the wonders of the universe? Astronomy can offer a relaxing and awe-inspiring break. From observing the constellations to tracking the moon's phases, it is a reminder of the rhythms and cycles inherent to our lives. So remember, manage your time wisely and don't forget to take a moment to look up at the stars. After all, we are all a part of this incredible universe. Join us next time for more insights, and remember, the universe is in your hands.